Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of green urban renewal, where sustainability meets innovation. Imagine cities filled with parks instead of parking lots, rooftops, growing food, buildings, cleaning the air. Sounds like science fiction? It's happening right now. Stay tuned to find out how. Green urban renewal is the process of transforming old, neglected, or damaged parts of a city into healthier, greener, and more sustainable spaces. Urban renewal has been around for decades, but green urban renewal focuses on making cities healthier, more livable, and better for the planet. It's about revitalizing old, abandoned areas and transforming them with parks, green buildings, renewable energy, and eco-friendly design. It's not just about looks. Green renewal fights climate change, improves public health, and even boosts local economies. Once an abandoned railway track, now a vibrant park above the streets. Or Bosco Vertical in Milan, residential towers covered in over 900 trees. And Singapore's Gardens by the Bay, proof that a city can be a garden, and a garden can be a city. Green urban renewal isn't just nice to have, it's crucial. Urban areas produce 70% of global carbon emissions. Making cities greener helps reduce pollution, cool down overheating neighborhoods, and even tackle issues like mental health and biodiversity loss. How we can support it. Support local green projects, plant trees, vote for eco-friendly policies, and reimagine your own spaces, from balconies to backyards, as mini green hubs. Outro 7 o'clock, 7:30. Uplifting music returns. Shots of lush cities at sunset. Green urban renewal is more than a trend, it's the future of our cities. If you enjoyed today's journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Let's build a greener world, one city at a time. Green urban renewal is important because our cities are growing fast, and with that growth comes big challenges: pollution, rising temperatures, and health problems. Traditional concrete-heavy cities trap heat, create smog, and reduce our quality of life. By adding more green spaces, sustainable buildings, and clean energy, we can fight climate change by absorbing carbon emissions, cool down cities, and reduce the urban heat island effect. Improve public health with cleaner air and spaces for exercise and relaxation. Boost mental health. Studies show that being around nature lowers stress and increases happiness. Support biodiversity by creating homes for birds, bees, and other wildlife, even in the middle of a city. Strengthen communities. Green spaces bring people together, making cities more social and vibrant. In short, green urban renewal makes cities healthier, cooler, and better for everyone, and it helps protect our planet's future. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.